Chinese is the world's most frequently spoken language with 1.3 billion native speakers. Reading and writing characters might be difficult for non-Chinese speakers due to the complexity of the language. There are two types of Chinese writing today: traditional and simplified. Simplified Chinese characters have fewer strokes than traditional ones. Here are some examples. 龟 means turtle. 龙 is dragon. 忧郁 implies melancholy. Simply writing 忧郁 would make people melancholy. Simplified Chinese contains fewer characters than traditional Chinese. Since some traditional Chinese characters were combined, simplified Chinese employs a single character to convey different words. There are two pronunciations of this simplified character. 脏 means organs, and 脏 is dirty. In traditional Chinese, organs represent 脏 and 脏 is dirty. Choosing between traditional and simplified Chinese can help you decide whether to study the two. Some argue that traditional characters better express words' meanings, yet reading and writing are complicated. Simplified characters have fewer stroke orders, a significant bonus for beginners. The decision is yours. I suggest you study Chinese radicals next because they will help you understand the characters. See you again soon. Bye bye.